Hi guys, welcome back to the Wild Panda. So today I wanted to share with you guys that I finally earned the companion pass with Southwest Airlines. This is so exciting. I found out yesterday that I finally earned the companion pass, and it actually surprised me because I didn't think I was going to get it this fast. I thought I was going to get it in November when my second credit card statement closes and I get the 7,500 anniversary points with my Southwest Priority credit card. So I had forgotten that the Southwest credit card actually has a two-part bonus. So the first part is you have to spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. And the second part, you get an additional 20,000 points after you spend $12,000 in the first year of your card membership. I actually opened my Southwest card last November. I guess after my previous statement, I had actually met that spending requirement on my card because I had actually given it to a family member and they were using it and paying me to use it. So by doing that, I spent the $12,000 on the card and got the 20,000 point sign-up bonus. And then through referral, I also got another 10,000 point. And that actually pushed me over the 110,000 point threshold and got me the companion pass with Southwest. You see that you actually earned the companion pass. After you earn the companion pass, you can designate your companion. And since I earned it just now, my companion pass is valid through December 31st of 2020. So how do you use your companion pass? It's actually fairly simple. You just have to book your flight through Southwest. Afterward, you log into your Southwest account, you go to your upcoming trip, and then there will be a button right here that says Add Companion. So your companion will actually be booked on the same flight, but with a different confirmation number. As you can see here, we're going to Cancun in November, and this is the original booking number. This is actually the companion number. So you'll have to check in separately for you and your companion. Now, Southwest allows you to change your companion up to 3 times a year. So you can actually have either 3 different companions or designate one companion, switch it to another, and then go back to the original companion if you would like. To do that, you just have to call Southwest's phone number, which is listed right here and in the description box down below. So this companion pass, like I said, I wasn't expecting it until November, but I'm super excited that I got it now because I had actually booked our trip to Cancun on Southwest using points, and it cost me about 60,000 points for both me and my boyfriend. But since I got the companion pass now, I actually phoned up Southwest and they were able to cancel the ticket that I paid for my boyfriend with points, refund those points back to my account, and then reissue him a companion certificate. So now we're actually flying both of us to Cancun for just the price of 1 ticket. And since I got the companion pass now, I finalized my trip to New York, and we're also gonna go to New York after Cancun. So the flight that I booked to New York cost me 24,500 Rapid Rewards points. And since I got the companion pass, my boyfriend's gonna fly with me for free. So it's gonna be 2 tickets for 24,000 points, which is a steal. And we're just gonna be going for a weekend just to have fun and just to explore New York for a quick weekend, but yeah. So the most important thing that you have to remember when doing the credit card reward game is that you have to do what's right for you and make sure that your reward plan matches your travel needs. So for us, we are doing 1 international trip next year to Japan, but after that, we'll pretty much burn through all of our vacation time. So that's why I was shooting so hard for this companion pass, is because Southwest flies to a lot of US destinations, and this will allow us to take long weekend trips and not have to use any paid time off and still go to a lot of trips within the US, which there's still a lot of cities that I have yet to explore. So I'm excited to be sharing all those travel fun with you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video to update you guys on this exciting news that we got the companion pass. I'm going to be keeping a detailed chart on how much I'm going to save throughout the year next year with this companion pass, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And also, if you guys haven't noticed, I have braces on and I've had them on since January, but I also got the news yesterday that I will be able to get them off next month in November. So it's a lot of exciting news all in one day. I was super excited and I'm just really glad to be able to share with you guys. Thanks for watching today, guys, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to travel for less. And also stay tuned for our trips to Cancun and New York and many more to come.